Here I am with another project. My Roomba 675. The brush fell off, the little side brush, so I figured I'd look into it. Okay, another quick project. I got the i675 Roomba, and my little side brush fell off, and the closer I looked at it, the little spot for the screw was stripped. So I bought this kit, which came with the motor, 2 brushes, 2 different screws, and a Phillips screwdriver. So I just started taking this apart, and I got 1 screw out so far, this one here, and now I'm going to do this one here. We'll go through it real quick. That last part is a little snug. This one over here behind the wheel. Those were easy to come out. The last end part though was a little rough for this small screwdriver, so maybe I could have used my cordless screwdriver. Oh, missed a screw back here on this side. Okay, put my fingernail under the last bit of the screw. It wasn't coming out. All right, let's take this off. Swipe a little dirt off here. Got some dirt in between the motor there. I need a vacuum for my vacuum. Okay, so there's the motor right there. We've got what appears to be 2 screws for the motor. 1. Well, it's not a... We got 1 down here in the corner, just so you can see. Got 1 right there, and the one I took out in the middle, and then this one here, which I'm not so sure this one in the middle has to come out, but let's find out here. Okay, there's the old motor. We need the screws. So that one in the middle here didn't have to come out, so it might go on the new one. All right, and then here's the new one. There you go. This one looks a little different. The screw, it came with the screws already. So let's see. I think what I'm going to do too is pop out this battery if I can. In case there's some jiggling around with the parts. So we'll put this in. Oh, appears to fit in there pretty good. That's tight. That's pretty tight. Put the battery back in. We're in there pretty good. I guess there's no real function except the cover. So then we'll put the cover back on. Put all the screws back in. Last one here. Okay, tighten this one over here in the back. All right, they're all pretty snug. Okay, and the next step is to put the brush on. So let's see if we can. Let's try this other one. Oh, there we go. Try this other brush here. All right. Okay, let's try it out. Put it down on the ground here. See the brush working right there. And that's another project for Mike's Be Handy. And that was a part I bought on Amazon, about $16. Came with 2 brushes, came with the screwdriver and the motor. No problem replacing it. It looks like it's going to be a good one. So I'll update it when I can. Thanks for watching. Mike's Be Handy. Talk to you soon.